door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. Yep. Yeah. 9, 10, do it again. There's something filming us. You like that one, huh? He literally went over there. He walked over there by himself. I sat here the whole time. He pulled off about 7 books off that shelf. He picked this one up, brought it all the way over to me, sat down with me. He's been reading it over and over again. I'm dead serious. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. Yeah. Are we done with this? Okay. New book.
Oh, excuse me.
No girls allowed.
Sorry.
No girls allowed.